Congratulations, you now have a brand new character that you are developing for camera. And if you've got no idea what I'm talking about, you probably haven't seen day one of this free camera confidence course. So go and watch it right now over here. Now this is your first day of your new camera image, and it's time to study about what you wrote about yesterday. And like all good movies, it's time to learn the part that you're stepping into. And this may be a brand new concept for you to digest, but stick with me. I do this all the time. I'm constantly working on myself and who I am becoming. I have images of inspiration, words, character traits that inspire me to become the person that I am and the person I'm growing into. It evolves all the time, as you do. So having a clear vision for yourself is very important. You may also be really happy with who you are right now, and that's fantastic. But see where you can be better, because there's always room for improvement and to be better. Now, grab your worksheet and print it over here, and we're going to go through it together, and you're going to go deeper into your character. So, 3 columns on your page. The first column, I would like you to think about 3 people that you absolutely love on video. They could be movie stars, rock stars, documentary makers, sports stars. They could be anyone at all that you love, that you're inspired by and you are fascinated by. So write down 3 people that you love on video. Okay, the second column, I want you to write down what traits do you admire about those people that you wrote down. Big list of all the things that you love and admire about that person, all the traits. Are they funny? Are they quirky? Are they fashionable? Do they show up? Are their videos look cool? What is it? What traits do you really love about those people? Remember, grab that worksheet if you'll find it easy because it's all in here. The last column is what traits do you share? That's right. What traits do you share with that person that you just listed all those traits, all of those 3 people? What traits do you share? And I bet you there are some similarities there, because you will often find that you are very similar to those people that are out there. You may think that they're amazing and that they're not like you, but I bet you there are definitely areas that are like you, because you're attracted to like minds, right? So what traits do you share with those people? I would love to hear about what you've realized about yourself in the comments below. Write down what traits do you love about yourself that you want to explore, or write down who your favorite people are on video. Let's get the conversation going and let's inspire each other. So comment below, I'd love to hear your thoughts. That's it for this lesson, and remember to come back for day 3 to keep yourself accountable with this commitment you've made to yourself. Don't let those little negative voices stop you. That means you're buying into the old behavior. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and click that little bell to be notified when we release new videos. See you on the next video.